Hello guys, welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have started with the texturing of this particular WAG12 locomotive over here. So let's go into the material over here. So what I'll do over here is like, for this I'll just remove this spackle over here and I'll just keep this material as flat over here. That is much better. Same for this. So over here, if you look at it, so I'll again go into the material editor. I'll go into the Vray material. I'll just take one color. Let's click OK. And into that, go into the reflection. Slight reflections I'll give. I'll go into this Fresnel reflections. I don't need much of the reflections. I'll increase its subdivisions over here. A bit. That's it. So just assign it over here in this way. For this also, we'll be doing the same stuff. So just assign it. Okay. We don't need reflections. So if you want, I can just go into this and reduce it. Edge glossiness. Okay, I think this looks much better now. So select this part. Select this part. So go into the material editor and I can just go with this set in material over here also for this section. So select this. Let's go into this. If you want, I can just give, I can remove this. Don't require this. Let's give a unwrap Uvw. So I'll just go into this polygons. So select this polygons over here. So subtract this much of the area which is not required. So I'll just subtract this. This we don't need it. I'll just select this and this we need it. So what I'll be doing over here is like, so whatever is left out in this part, that we can give over here as quick planar map. So let's go into UV editor. So go into tools and I can do relax. Alright. So once you're done over here, So for this, I'll just cut and I can and let's go into this and give a quick planar map. So go into tools and give relax, select this, and give quick planar map, open UV editor, relax it. So select this edge. So I can just select this polygon and I can slightly just rotate it. Select the vertices, or you can just select this, tools, target weld. So select this whole thing and again relax it. Alright, so once you're done with this, we don't require to unwrap it. If you want, you can just unwrap this area also. So select this whole thing. So select the polygons. So there are different ways for unwrapping. There are many different ways. So you can use any of the way you like to unwrap. So select this part and let's just give quick planar map. Oops. Okay. So go into tools and relax that part by edge. Alright, it's opened up much better. So again, I'll select this polygons, I'll go into UV editor, I'll select this and inverse it. I'll exclude this and just give quick planar map. So go into tools and again give relax over here. Alright. So open UV editor. Tools, target weld. Alright. So I'll just scale this and I'll just keep this over here. So scale this whole thing, push it over here, render UV template, and let's click on this, save this file, textures, UVs 2, and I'll save it. So let's open Photoshop over here now. So open Photoshop. So now what we'll be doing over here is we'll be opening this UVs in Photoshop. So let's go into File, Open. So just open that. First, the UVs part. So unlock this layer. So let's just unlock this. Go into, take a new layer, and I'll just give one color to it. Give a screen mode. Open this. So let's open some textures, metal textures. So we have many metal textures. So I'll just open some dirt textures. So I can just take any of the base texture first. So I'll take this texture as a base texture over here. So now what I'll do over here is like I'll just merge these two textures, and I have one more texture over here of a dirt metal. I'll just place it on the top. I'll just place it on the top, and let's give some mask over here. I'll just reset the brush over here. Flow and opacity. Alright. So I'll just off this two layers again and go into this, save as it. So go into 3DsMax again. I'll just end isolate this part. Go into material. So take a Vray material bitmap and let's just call that texture. Alright. Perfect. So texture is perfectly fitting over here. So we can just keep this over here. So now what if you want, if you don't need any changes, I'll just convert to poly. select this polygons and I'll just give UVW map. I'll go into Gizmo and I'll just scale it. Alright. So select this part, go into the material. I'll give a metallic shader, same for all of this. Just assign it. So for this, assign that shader, and for this stuff over here, I'll go into the Vray material. I'll just assign a basic color. That's a flat color. If you want some kind of a noise, I can go into the diffuse. I can assign up a noise over here. So go into the material and give a bit of a dark color to it. Alright. For this also, go into the material, Vray material, take again a dark black color. You don't have that much of reflections, but you have some reflections. So our glossiness and Fresnel IOR, I'll slightly increase it and I'll assign it for mirror kind of a material. So whatever is visible over here, that we can do the changes over here. So select this both over here again. Select this both. So if you have some kind of a texture for it, you can just assign that. I'll just select this both over here and I'll just assign a satin metal. So for this wheel section, I'll just go over here, I'll just duplicate this like this. So just mirror it in y-axis. So save your file again, once again. If you see, I've done many changes over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. As you can see how we have unwrapped this and given the texture over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.